Why is space so dark? Space is filled with stars. Some stars are huge, some are bright. Some are much bigger than our sun. So if there are so many stars in space, why does space still look so dark? That is a great question. The simple answer is this: space is dark because there is almost no air there. Here on Earth, our sky looks blue during the day because sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere. The tiny gases in the air scatter the sunlight in different directions, especially blue light. That is what makes the daytime sky look bright and blue. But in space, there is no thick atmosphere like Earth's. That means there is no air to scatter the sunlight all around you. So instead of seeing a bright blue sky, you see black space. Even if the sun is shining, space can still look black. That may sound surprising, but it is true. Astronauts on the moon saw this for themselves. Even in daylight, the sky around them looked black, because the moon has almost no atmosphere to scatter sunlight. Now you might wonder, if stars are shining everywhere, shouldn't all that light brighten up space? Not really. Stars are extremely far away from each other, and the space between them is mostly empty. ESA explains that the space between stars and galaxies is largely empty, even though there may be a little dust or a few particles here and there. So even though the universe has many stars, most of space is still just vast darkness between them. And here's another important idea. Light only helps you see something when it reaches your eyes from a source or bounces off something nearby. In Earth's atmosphere, light gets scattered all around you. But in space, light usually travels in straight lines. If it is not heading into your eyes, the sky around you can still look dark. NASA's Starchild explains this very simply. Space looks black because there is no nearby bright source of light, like the sun, to be scattered. So space is not dark because there is no light at all. There is light in space, but without air to spread that light around, and with so much empty space between stars, space still looks black. So when someone asks, "Why is space so dark?" you can say, space looks dark because there is almost no air in space to scatter sunlight, and the space between stars is mostly empty. That is why the universe can be full of stars and still look so dark. Pretty cool, right? See you next time. It's always white time.